back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this simple little makeup look right here. I don't even know what to call this look because I hate putting the word simple or easy in my titles of my videos because I have so many of that, and there's so many of those kind of videos on YouTube that I hate the word simple and easy now, and I hate the word dramatic and just, yeah, I hate those kind of words because they're used every single day. But yeah, so if this title is named the same thing of a different makeup tutorial that I have, I'm so sorry. I can't come up with a different name. I just can't. But I think it's really cute. I love it. It looks good. It looks Gucci. I know people don't like that word, but you know, I'm gonna say it, it's Gucci. But yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do my brows, and the brow pencil that I'm gonna be using today is this e.l.f. brow pencil in neutral brown, and I'm just gonna spoolie my brows up, and then I'm just gonna do a couple of flicks, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the spoolie and just keep doing that over and over again until I like how my brows look. And then to conceal everything, I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Light 10, and I'm just going to put a little bit under my brow, like that much, and I'm just going to conceal my brows with this little flat brush. And then I'm going to use the same concealer to prime my eyes for the eyeshadow that we're going to be doing. So I recently been using the Sonia Kajuk brush right here, and I've just been blending it my concealer out and everything. So I'm just going to blend this out with this brush instead of my finger. And I've really been liking how it looks. And plus, I don't have to get my fingers dirty. And then I'm going to set that concealer with this Airspun Loose Face Powder right here in translucent. Now this look is going to be very simple and easy. We're just going to be using a couple colors in the crease, and then we're going to put a white color on our lid, and then we are going to put very big lashes on, not big lashes but big enough, and then we're gonna put a line in the inner corner to make it look like a cat eye without doing the wing back here. This is a simple cat eye kind of look, and not a very dramatic cat eye like everybody knows. So alright guys, so I'm gonna grab this Wet n Wild little palette right here, and this palette is called Nude Awakening. And I'm just going to grab, what color am I going to grab? I think I'm going to grab this one right here. The brush that I'm going to be taking is this brush right here from Walgreens. There's no name for it, but I know that it's from Walgreens. And I'm just going to grab a little bit of that color and put that on the outer part of the crease. Put it on the inner part of the crease also. But I'm going to just keep most of it on the outer part. A little bit on the outer lid, but I'm not going to put a lot over there. I just want to add a little bit more definition to the eye, so I'm going to add a little bit back there. We're going to go in with the same palette, and there's a matte color in the palette, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna grab this brush right here, which is a flat brush by Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna put that right on the lid just to open the eye a little bit more. And while we're here, I'm also going to take that color and put a little bit on my brow bone. I was going to take this liner right here. This is the Ciate London Fierce Flicks liner. I was going to put that near my lashes for our falsies, but I think I want to take a black, so I'm going to take this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take the black that's in this palette right here, and I'm just going to take that on this brush right here, and this is from Posh, and I got it at like Publix, I think, and it just came with 3 other brushes, and it's just like a flat definer brush. I'm going to take that black that I just showed you guys, and I'm just going to put it on near my lashes and just like kind of go up with it, but I'm going to be very careful with this part. And then I'm just going to take a clean brush and just blend that out a little bit. And then I'm going to take that color that we took on our crease, and I'm just going to blend that out a little bit, just so there's no harsh lines. Even though we already blended out with a clean brush, I want to make sure everything's blended, so I'm going to take the color that we put in our crease and just blend everything together again. So the mascara that I use for my lashes is this Great Lash mascara in Very Black. I've been really loving this mascara. I don't know why, I just can't like use something else for some reason. But you could totally just leave it like this. You don't have to put on lashes. You could just do your full face of makeup and then you'll be done. And yeah, I feel like I could just go out and without lashes. But I'm going to pop on some lashes because I want to. I mean, I want to. But I'm going to plop on these Ardell Foam Mink lashes in 811, I believe. I'm just going to plop on those lashes, do my full face off camera real quick, and then I'll be right back with you guys with the lower lash line and my lippy. Now we're going to be doing the bottom lash line. We're not going to do a lot. We're just going to do the same exact thing that we did to the top. We're just going to put that color that we put in our crease down there. But just a little bit. We don't want to put a lot down there. I'm mostly going to put it on the outer part like we did to the crease. We kept most of it on the outer part of the crease. But we still put some on the inner part, just most of it on the outer part. And then we're going to take this little NYX little makeup kit, and we're going to take the highlighter that's in this, which is this right here, and I also used it as my highlighter today, in case you were wondering. I'm just going to put that on the inner corner of the eye. And I'm also going to like bring it down on the lower lash line a little bit, on the inner part. But we're going to take this Ciate London Fierce Flicks liner, and we're going to do a little line. You guys will see what I'm going to be doing, but we're going to do a little line towards the inner corner and then a little bit out. And then I'm going to take this Rimmel white liner, and I'm just going to put that in my waterline real quick. And now I'm going to put some powder on my eyes. I mean, under my eyes, not on my eyes. I'm just going to put a little bit of powder under my eyes for a mascara. I'm going to be using this mascara for my lower lashes. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara in Very Black. And I'm just going to put one coat of mascara down there. I use this brow gel every single time. I just love it. And it makes my brows, like, you know how they look like dark sometimes? That's because I forget to put the brow gel on them. But this really lightens them up. And it makes me feel like this gives me more brow hair. And it just makes them look so good. And then, let me figure out what I want for my lippy, and then, I'll be back all, like, hair, like, looking cute, earrings, choker, and just look cuter than I look now, okay? Okay. Alright guys, so I did my lip beat off camera because my camera needed some charging, and I was hungry, so I was just like, okay, this is gonna charge while I eat and watch it, like a show or two, and then I'll start recording again. But the first color that I went in with is this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Sandstorm, but I felt like it was a little bit too warm for the eyes because the eyes are more on the cool tone side, so I was like, okay, this is not working, it's too warm. So I went in with this LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip Color in Suede. I just put a little bit of this on the lips just to make it a little bit more on the cool tone side. It looks way better than what it did look like with just the Sandstorm color on, but this one made it a little bit more cool tone. So yeah, it's still a little bit warm, but it's not as warm as this, which this was really, really warm. So I just added this to make it a little bit more cool tone. I hope I wasn't confusing anybody with that. Yeah, and I curled my hair and just, yeah, a lot of things happened, and yeah. That's the end of this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And also, comment what you guys want to see next, like a very dramatic look or a very simple look or what. This is really, really simple. I do see myself going towards this look, like maybe switching up the crease color or just something like that, just making it a little bit warmer or a little bit more cool toned or whatever. I just see myself wearing this kind of look. I love the lashes, I love the inner corner. It looks really cute. But if you're new, then subscribe, and there's also a bell button once you subscribe, and if you hit that bell button, it'll notify you every single time I upload a new video. Obviously you guys know that, most of you guys knows that. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!